Welcome to episode 3 of the Reticulum series. Today, we're covering the easiest way to install Reticulum on a Windows PC using NOMAD Navigator. NOMAD Navigator is a full desktop app built on MeshChat-X that bundles Python, Reticulum network stack, and all dependencies. You simply download, run, and you're in. Out of the box, NOMAD Navigator provides a micropage browser, encrypted messaging, and voice calls. It also includes file transfers, a page editor, and interface discovery for backbone nodes and radio hardware. The first step is to download NOMAD Navigator from nodestar.net. You can choose either the Windows installer recommended for most users or the Windows portable version, which requires no installation. If you chose the installer, run the .exe and click through. Find NOMAD Navigator in your Start menu and double-click to launch. On first launch, your Reticulum config file and cryptographic identity are automatically generated. Your new identity is cryptographically unique and self-sovereign. It generates your mesh address, which is how people find and reach you on the network. You can connect to the network in two ways. Option A, which is recommended, is interface discovery. Open the interfaces section inside NOMAD Navigator and connect with a single click. Option B is to add a backbone node manually from rmap.world by editing your Reticulum config file. Once you are on the mesh, you can open the browser tab to visit a node using its destination hash. You can also check the nodestar directory or the Home tab for recently announced nodes. Destination hashes are long strings of letters and numbers, like a mesh URL. To send a message, open the Messages tab. Your LXMF address is at the top. Direct messages are sent immediately to an online recipient. Propagated messages use store and forward, working even if the recipient is offline. To announce yourself, you can use the Home tab to appear in other users' node lists without a website. Alternatively, submit your destination hash to the nodestar directory. You can also introduce yourself in Messages. It is critical to back up your identity file, as it is irreplaceable. If you lose it, you lose your destination hash forever. On Windows, find it ATC username app data roaming Reticulum storage identity and copy it somewhere safe. Your identity is portable, meaning one address works across all Reticulum network stack apps, including NOMAD Navigator, Sideband for mobile, and NOMADNet for Linux and Raspberry Pi. Now you can browse nodes and visit pages. You can send encrypted messages without a phone number or account. You can make a voice call, host your own page using NOMADNet, or add a LoRa radio to go off-grid. Simply being online contributes your node to the mesh. For further information, visit nodestar.net for downloads and guides, or rmap.world to find backbone peers. Up next, we'll cover NOMADNet 101, how to browse the decentralized mesh web.